Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I got this thing I picked up the other day, and actually I did an unboxing on this one as well, and due to a camera setting, the footage was just unusable. So my mistake, I was in a big hurry. But I ended up getting this brushed one the other day at the shop, and I've been wanting one of these for a minute, and so I just, I was like, I don't really have an awesome place to use it right now, but it's on my list to get. Because I just dig the looks of these things, and so now I've got a place that I can go run it. And I actually ended up buying the brushed one for one major reason. I researched it a little bit before I picked this up. The reason I got the brush version is I like the two color schemes the best. So the red and black and this blue and yellow I really like a lot. And so I just like have my friend hold both of them, and I mix them up, and then I close my eyes and I'm like, I want that one. He's like, you get blue. I was like, okay, cool. So that's what I got. And yeah, I dig this thing. So before I did that, I was like, a lot of times brush models, if various ready to runs versus a brushless model, you'll have like weaker gear train, weaker differentials, plastic versus metal, or a weaker drive shaft. The brushless one comes with universals. I mean, major differences in the drivetrains of the models. And this one, from what I gathered and looked online, the Exploded View shows basically the same truck underneath. So there's only a couple of, so I don't have to, when I go brushless, which will happen, I don't have to like replace the differentials and the drive shaft and all the stuff in it to do that. This one's already set up that way. So that's one of the reasons why I ended up going with the brush ones, because I like the looks of these much better. The black one, the brushless one, I don't mind that one. The ones with the batteries though, not my thing. So I picked this up, and then we'll just go brushless later. There are a couple of differences. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the way. By the way, I dig the look of those guys in there. It's cool. And then this is actually a fairly heavy little truck. See, it's unboxed. Yeah, I'm like, and it's got good stance, good feel. This is a racing thing. You have to do this if it's number one. You have to test the suspension, but easy to remove body. I mean, you guys have all seen this before, but yeah, I'm pretty thrilled with it. So. Of course, and then of course it comes with a battery, 1400 milliamp 2-cell charger. It is what it is. Cost oriented, then you can upgrade later. Spectrum basic radio, not the worst thing in the world. I mean, there are probably worse ones than this. It's an all-in-one unit, but this will do for now. I mean, I will upgrade it later, but the only main difference in the truck that I saw was the shocks are plastic here, and then versus the aluminum. These have like the clip retainers for the spring tension and all that kind of stuff that you slip in, which is right in this bag. Includes that. A tool, which is back, a nice tool assembly. And then it comes with batteries for the remote. You got your manuals and all that kind of stuff. And then there was like a key card in here somewhere that showed you could scan it and it'll show the Exploded View, probably a shoppable one. You can go to Horizon Hobby and get what you need. But yeah, so just clip in retainers in these, well dampened. I'm sure the aluminum ones are much better, and that is on the brushless one. And then the only other difference that I saw was these turnbuckles up here. These are solid plastic versus the adjustable ones to adjust your front toe. And that's basically the only difference in the truck, besides obviously the powerhouse. So the motor assembly. And I think it's an all-in-one unit as well on that speed control too. So we might do it. We're probably going to do a different brushless system, but that will be all right. So that's my new toy, and I cannot wait to get out there and play with it. Unfortunately, it's kind of raining today, So hopefully that clears up so I can go mess around with this and get it recorded and get it uploaded. So thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe. Can't wait to run it. We'll see you next time. It's a race. It's a racing thing. We all do this.